Hello everyone. So this is the last part of our discussion on the topic integration by partial fraction decomposition, focusing on the last case, and that is case 4, wherein the denominator q of x is a product of repeated irreducible quadratic factors. So that is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c raised to k. So depending on the value of k here, okay, that determines our the number of partial fractions that we will create. So if k is 3, so therefore we have 3 partial fractions. So that means that we have a term of degree 1, a term for degree 2, and a term for degree 3. So para mas ma-gets natin siya, let's consider this example here, the integral of 1 minus x plus 2x squared minus x cubed all over x raised to 5 plus 2x cubed plus x dx. So the same process pa rin. We will factor the denominator. The obvious factor here is the x. Tama? So this is now equal to the integral of 1 minus x plus 2x squared minus x cubed all over, si x ang obvious factor, so we have x, so what's left is x raised to 4 na lang, then we have 2x squared, and we have plus 1, okay, dx. So from that, observe that x raised to 4 plus 2x squared plus 1 is actually a perfect square. Okay, and that could be written as the integral of, copy lang muna natin yung numerator. Okay, minus x cubed all over x times. So this one can be factored as x squared plus 1 squared. Right? So therefore, we have a repeated irreducible quadratic factor. X squared plus 1 can no longer be factored. Okay, so that is the final form. So now, let's decompose this expression. So copying, we have 1 minus x plus 2x squared minus x cubed all over x times x squared plus 1 squared. Okay, that is equal to, so the first partial fraction, or the first term, is for the linear factor x, so we have a over x here. Okay, plus, since we have as exponent equal to 2, so we will have a term for x squared plus 1 and a term for x squared plus 1 squared. So that is bx plus c, kasi quadratic siya, over x squared plus 1 plus we have dx plus e all over x squared plus 1 squared. Okay, so I hope that is clear. Next, we will eliminate the denominator. The same process lang talaga siya. Okay, so that is multiplying both sides by x times x squared plus 1 squared. Same here, x times x squared plus 1 squared. Okay, so from that, this will be eliminated. Ayan. So we will now have 1 minus x plus 2x squared minus x cubed equal to, so this is just a times x squared plus 1 squared. So nawala yung x kasi nga may denominator tayo na x, plus bx plus c times merong x and also x squared plus 1. Isa lang. Okay? Kasi may x squared plus 1 sa baba. And last, we have dx plus e times x na lang. Okay? So let's simplify. So this is just 1 minus x plus 2x squared minus x cubed equal to, Okay, simplify muna natin to. Expand natin yung x squared plus 1 squared. So that is x raised to 4 plus 2x squared plus 1. Then dito, we have plus bx plus c times, distribute natin si x, so that is x cubed plus x. Right? And plus ito, diretso na, dx squared plus ex. Okay? So let's simplify further or expand this one here, ito. So this is now 1 minus x plus 2x squared minus x cubed equal to a times x raised to 4 plus 2x squared plus 1. Ito is just plus bx raised to 4 plus bx squared plus cx cubed plus cx plus dx squared plus ex. Right? Okay, so let's, dapat pala na ano na to, no? Expand, distribute to CA. Sige lang. So, x plus 2x squared minus x cubed. Distribute muna natin si a kasi nakalimutan. So, this is ax squared raised to 4 plus 2a x squared plus a. So, copy. Okay. Plus ex squared plus ex. Okay, so we combine like terms here. So we have 1, copy muna natin. So for x raised to 4, we have a and b. So we have a plus bx raised to 4. Ayan. For cube, we have just c. So that is plus cx cube. Then for squared, we have 2a, b, and d. Okay, again, isa-isahin natin. For x raised to 4, we have ax raised to 4 and bx raised to 4. So we have a plus b. Next, for cube, we only have cx cube. Next, for squared, we have this, and this. So that means that we have plus 2a plus b plus d x squared. Okay? And for x, we only have cx and ex. So therefore, that is just plus c plus ex. And lastly, for our number, we just have a. Okay? So from that, we now have a correspondence. Apat yan. No? 1, 2, 3, 5 pala. Okay? So, 5. Ayan. First is for the degree 4. Walang degree 4 dito, so that is just a plus b equals 0. Right? So, degree 3, we have c is equal to negative 1. Nandito siya, right? Next, sa degree 2, so you have 2a plus b plus d equals 2. Nandito, 2. And we have c plus e equals negative 1 for x. And a is equal to 1. So we have now the value of a and c. So, dito, c plus equal to negative 1 kasi merong c, so that is just negative 1 plus e equals negative 1. So, e is equal to, so magiging plus yan 0. Okay? So, may tatlo na tayong value. Next, dito sa a plus b equal to 0, so a is 1 plus b equals 0, so b equals negative 1. And lastly, for D, so substitute natin, 2 times A is 1, B is negative 1, plus D equals 2. So this is just 1 plus D equals 2, therefore D is equal to 1. Okay? So we have these values. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. And this one here. Okay. So from that, we now have, so copying the integral, so we have the integral of 1 minus x plus 2x squared minus x cubed all over x times x squared plus 1 squared dx. Tama ba? Okay. So that is just equal to the integral of, so a over x, so a is 1 over x plus bx plus c. B is negative 1, so negative x plus c is negative 1, so minus 1 all over x squared plus 1 and plus d is 1, so dx, so x na lang yan, and e is 0 plus 0, so plus 0 over x squared plus 1 squared dx. Okay? So simplifying, we now have, i-distribute na natin lahat. So this is the integral of dx over x minus ito, integral of x dx over x squared plus 1 minus, ito yan ha, then kang negative 1, integral of dx over x squared plus 1. Next for x, wait, baka x squared ang panin. So this is now plus integral of x over x squared plus 1 squared dx. Okay. So, simplifying now. So ito, dito, we will just use u substitution. Dito, this is arctan. While this one here is u sub again. So this is u substitution. So ang kailangan na natin isolve is itong first asterisk and this second. Right? So therefore, first muna, integral of x dx over x squared plus 1. So we let u be equal to x squared plus 1. So du is equal to 2x dx. That means that du over 2 is x dx. Kasi x dx lang yung nasa taas. So that is now du over 2 over u integral. So that is 1/2 integral of du over u. So we have 1/2 ln of u plus c, or 1/2 ln of x squared plus 1. Okay? So that's it. And for the second asterisk, so we have x dx over x squared plus 1 squared. We let u be equal to x squared plus 1. So du equals 2x dx. So du over 2 is x dx. So from that, this is now integral of du over 2 over u squared, right? And this is now 1/2 integral of du over u squared. That is just u to the negative 2. So we have 1/2 times u to the negative 1 over negative 1 plus c. So that is negative 1 over 2u plus c. U is x squared plus 1. So this is now negative 1 over 2 times x squared plus 1 plus c. Then substituting, so we now have finally our answer, ln of absolute value of x minus 1 half. This is the answer now. 1 half ln of x squared plus 1. Well, this one is arctan. So arctan of x. Well, this one is minus 1 over 2 times x squared plus 1 plus c. And that completes our solution for this problem. Okay, I hope that is clear. Okay, thank you.